whatever type of loan you want. There's different options for the customers, right, that I will present.
Hey everybody, Captain Keith here, MarineMax Clearwater with Cassella, business and finance manager. So I guarantee you, everybody watching this, 99% of it, myself included, we've all gone and got loans and financed a car or something like that. So I've got all this beautiful boat sitting back here in back of me. Is it the same deal? So financing a car, financing a boat, the terms and that kind of stuff. So do I have 5 years to pay this off?
That's a great question. I get that all the time, right? People just don't know, which is great, you know, and that's why I'm here to help, right? So yeah, a 5-year loan on a boat would not work out for most people, right? So, you know, in the business office, we offer loans that go up to 240 months or 20 years for loans over $50,000.
Okay.
Okay, and not that you have to do the 240-month loan, right? I mean, you could do a 180-month loan or a 144-month loan or whatever type of loan you want. There's different options for the customers, right, that I will present. Loans under $50,000, this is typical, right? I mean, we'll have to look it through, but you know, 180 months is your typical loan, longest term, you know, up
for
to
under 50.
Yeah, like $25,000 to $50,000 will probably be 180 months, but anything over 50, 240 months is pretty much the longest term.
Okay, and if things change, right? Obviously, it's a changing world, right? And maybe 3 years from now, 4 years from now, interest rates come down.
Yeah.
Can you refinance that loan?
Oh, absolutely. We've done it in the past. We'll do it in the future, right? So we do refinancing here as well. And you know, if the customer, you know, you have a boat and you had a higher rate, and now, like you just alluded to, that maybe, you know, the rates dropped considerably. I mean, you've done it. I did it on my house. I'm sure most people out there that are watching did it in their house too. Same type of process. The only stipulation that most banks will have is that it'll probably have to be a year before you can do that. That's all. And, you know, just a little pointer that I would like to recommend too. I mean, you know, if the interest rate was 8% and now it's, you know, 6.5%, you might not want to do it then.
Not a big enough jump.
Not a big enough jump, right? So if rates get down, you know, 4s or 3s or something like that, it's definitely worth doing it at that point. My suggestion.
Hey man, if you all got any questions, check with any of your MarineMax business offices. The business managers are there to help you, to make it seamless and to get you out on that boat of your dreams. So, you know, don't be afraid of it. If there's a boat there that you really want, and work with these guys, and they'll try to get you the best deal, right? And
absolutely.
Get you out on the water. Pull the trigger, go out and do it, get on the water. It's springtime, and it's, you know, that's where you want to be.
Absolutely. Have fun on the water.
See you guys.